Hey guys, Gio here from the ChummiTV, back with another video. So today we're out here at Greenbelt because we're about to pick up a pair of the Sacai LDWaffles from Commonwealth that we joined raffles for yesterday. And yeah, luckily we were able to win a pair for retail. And yeah, I'll update you guys once we're able to pick up the pair. Let's go. So before pa umulan, on feet today is the Sacai LDWaffles, the OG colorway. Ayan na, medyo maambon na. But yeah, on feet. What's up guys, currently on the way to Rockwell because we're about to join the raffle for the LDWaffle Sacais. Let's go. So we just finished over here in Rockwell and we got our 3 entries in for each colorway. Best of luck to everyone who joined the raffle. Let's go. So right here is Commonwealth and I think this is the line for claiming the pairs. I don't know. I'll ask. But and let's go. You know, panalo rin siya. Double win. Let's go. So we were finally able to get the pairs from Commonwealth here in Greenbelt and let's go. Let's unbox this once we get home. Back in the studio with another pickup. Actually, joke lang, this is just my sala in my house. So right here we have a pair from Commonwealth. But before that, I just want to remind you guys to join the raffle for this pair. We have the Kyrie 5 and the Squidward Tentacles colorway. I'll link the video right here and leave it on the description box down below for you guys to know the mechanics for it. So let's get right into the pair. Right here I have the Nike Sacai LDWaffle in the OG colorway, or what I like to call the Team Pilipinas colorway. Kasi kita niyo naman sa colorway guys. Super kakulay ng flag natin. Solid. And I was blessed enough to win this pair for retail. So let's get right into it. So right here I have this Nike orange box. So this box comes with all the Sacai pairs, even the blazers. And I got this in a size 9. And it reads Nike LDWaffle Sacai in the color Pine Green Clay Orange Del Sol. So ayan, I was able to get the multicolor pair. So let's go. So right here we have the Nike LDWaffle Sacai in the multicolor colorway. And this colorway reminds me of Barney. I don't know why. Maybe this is Barney, Baby Bop, or BJ. Ayan, tinatawanan ako. But this is what I call the Barney colorway. And this colorway is actually the least favorite of all people, including me. I actually like the white pair or the black pair more than this. But I'm not complaining. I got this pair for retail. It retailed for 8,095 pesos. And if you're planning to buy this for resale right now, pairs go for as much as 30,000 to 40,000. So super mahal. So I was able to get this again for 8K only, 8,095. And magko-complain pa ba kayo? Let's go. So this pair I brought with me to the US, and surprisingly I really like wearing this more than my other pairs because it's super comfortable. Even if meron siya netong like diving board dito sa likod. Super kakaiba, super ganda, and super comfy nga again. This was my summer shoe in the US, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see I'm always wearing this pair right here. And I can't blame it. Super nice. And super ganda talaga. So for sizing, I'd suggest you guys to go down half a size. I know I went through to size on this, pero I think going half a size down is better because it fits very long. Fits very long, but it fits narrow. If that makes sense. And if masyado mahaba dito, it's see-through kasi. Kasi pag tanggalan mo yan, makikita mo yung kamay mo yan. So pag sobrang laki sa inyo ng pair, it's gonna be awkward kasi kita ng tao na malaki sa yung pair. And so that's it for sizing. So if papapiliin kayo guys, which one do you guys like more? Do you guys like the OG colorway or the new colorway? Comment down below. And we're able to get these Sacai LDWaffles for retail again. So far lucky tayo sa Sacai raffles. As in, every single release, we were able to win at least one pair for retail. So, and thank you Commonwealth. I love you Cop Date. So sana more raffle wins in the future. Hit like if gusto nyo ng good luck. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. Comment down below again which one do you guys like more. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe, like, and join the giveaway. Guys, kinuulit niya na ako. Gusto niya raw compare na to.
Barney!
So if you guys know someone who's selling a black or white pair, size 9, let me know down below. Or DM me on Instagram. Or size 5.
Please.
Size 5, any colorway. DM us. So right here we have this pair to give away. And I know I see a lot of you guys actually asking me to do a giveaway for quite some time now. And yes, we can do that here on this channel because we share our blessings. But you guys know that I'm not getting any of these pairs for free. This is coming out of my own pocket. So basically what I'm asking you guys is to help me reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of October. And yeah, we'll give away this pair of Kyrie 5 Spongebob Squarepants in the Squidward Tentacles colorway. So the mechanics are fairly simple. You just have to click subscribe down below. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Like this video because it helps us YouTubers a lot. And follow me on Instagram at GioSantamaria and at streetwear.haul. So basically yun lang yung rules. Simple lang. And yeah, best of luck to everyone that's joining. And you guys might just win this pair of Kyrie 5 in the Spongebob Squarepants collab. Squidward Tentacles colorway. Let's go. We wanna ball and get